All right, YouTube, after that exciting NS236, now we have V07, I think it's 22. NS V07 24, westbound here in Suffolk, with the same power from last week. 8883 in command today, with 7511 behind him. Wow, so they've switched the engines back. I finally get another picture of these standard cab dash 9s. Don't know who's on crew. Say, buddy, I hear you. Yeah. V07 diversion clear, main 2 to main 1. Head west out. Yeah. I love NS crews for what they do. Yeah. Yeah! As they will lead NS V07 24. NS V07 24 is looking all right. My engineer Pat 5299. Thank you guys for the shout out. Not many loads on time. I think it was seven sets of loads and about maybe 5 or 6 sets of empties. Hey Barry. How many sets of empties? Like 6? Okay. So here we go. Poor lot talking to V17. So here we will watch the same power from last week. NS-9 standard cab 8883 at ES24 DC 7511. As that leader looks good in its NS paint, and the conductor sounded good on my down thing, as they will continue west with V07 24. We'll go down and set off this train, then he'll come back as all power. Woohoo! Oh! empties tonight, a lot of empties. YouTube, let me just do a quick explanation. With the amount of bare tables that are on the train, the old move was take it west, set off further down the main line. Now with this new change, V07 does not have to do that. He'll just go round and around his train, take the empties and the loads with his east, and it's all done. So there's no more setting them off about halfway down the main line. So it's a good time saver, and plus the crew don't have to worry about setting off. And that's a good time saver. And I do see the end of the train coming. And he came off the CW safely. That's good. And still coming across the switch on a diverging clear. And here comes the end of the train. What's some of these? They got new wheels on, man. And they just heard him call, main 2 kill me. Main 1 kill me, and he's clear. And here comes the end of the train. Woohoo! Oh man. How many cars we had? Hey Barry, how many cars we had? All right, well there you have it, YouTube. A pretty nice V07 24 heading westbound with 83 cars on it with the same power from last week. Got a nice shout out there from the crew I did not expect to get. And of course a nice friendly horn show from the NS crew. And I love NS crews for what they do best. All right, there goes train number 2. Thanks for watching.